Davidson. Harley Davidson. This is gonna be a really simple install video. You're just gonna screw in 3 screws, a nut and a washer, and some pretty hands. That's it. So pretty simple. We're just gonna dive into it. Flat out bar, engine guard, crash bar, whatever you want to call it. I always recommend anyone and everyone who has a bike, because number 1, it looks cool as shit. Number 2, it protects your bike in the event of anything, you know, any accident, anyone backing up and tipping your bike over, or you just toppling your bike over trying to move your bike, whatever it is. It helps out a lot. So yeah, pretty simple. Let's just dive right into it and get this thing done. I'm gonna go over this right here, get 2 screws on top, 1 screw through the front, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I already loosened these screws up. I'm just gonna pop them right out. So the original ones that come with the bike, stock OEMs, are gonna come off. These new ones are pretty cool. Our flat out bar right over here. Yeah, we're gonna move the horn because we're gonna need the space. All right, so we moved the horn out of the way right here. There's a bolt that goes directly into the power unit that's right underneath the neck right here. The horn just collapses down, so it'll give you space for you to do that. So these you could like hand screw in first until it gets to that point. Before you tighten these top screws up and then put your horn back upstairs, just make sure that the front screws put in. So you're gonna have the screw, the washer, and then the nut is gonna go on the back side. But just make sure to put that in so you can have enough space for it to go in, and then you're done. You're pretty much done after this. Damn it, I left my keys inside. So as you can see, simple, easy install, pretty quick as well. So if I can do it, any of you guys could do it at home in your garage with some simple little tools. Doesn't take much. Looks good. It serves a purpose, and it's a pretty cool add-on, man. The Harley Davidson flat bar. I'll link the link up in the description box for anybody that's interested in buying this. I've used several different other brands before in my other bikes, but I like this one. This one sits up high. I wanted something different. The ones that I've had in the past they sit a bit lower. This one sits higher, and it looks awesome. But yeah, simple little easy install. I hope I was able to help some of you guys out today. If you're new to the channel, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. We're gonna be doing a ton of stuff to this bike, a bunch of different mods and different installs. So if you're into street bop content, make sure to subscribe. Like always, let the force be with you. Ride safe and enjoy the ride, baby. Peace.